When working on a quote or order, there's a number of different ways you can negotiate the price, either on the order lines or on the order totals. Firstly, if we take a look at this order line here, you'll see we've got a price. If we hover over, we can see the last price, the last time this customer ordered this product, what price they paid. We can go in and we can just go and amend the price, which will go and change what the overall line total is. We also have the ability for particularly measured products to be able to change the pricing unit. So this is currently priced per cubic meter, but if I click on it, I can see a range of other ones we can change it to, and I'll change this to a price per meter. So therefore, that is £7.52 per metre. It's still costed at £500 per cubic metre, but it shows what the equivalent of that would be as a cost per metre as well. So you can change the pricing unit. Alternatively, if you want to, you can go in and set the margin that you'd like to achieve. So this item here isn't quite achieving a good enough margin. So if we make that up to 28%, that goes and amends the selling price so that we achieve as close to 28% as we can, changing everything to the nearest penny on per unit. The other thing we can do as well is you can set the whole line value. So where I've got this item here, which has got 80 units in it, if I say I'm prepared to do that for £200, that goes and puts in a discount so that 80 units at £2.60 less roughly a 3.85% discount gets us to £200 for the total line value. So those are the different ways you can negotiate on a line. If you also manually want to put in a discount as well, you can click on the drill down next to it and you can either put in a total discount percent, or you can manually go and add discount lines. So for this particular item, it might be less 5% and then less 2%. And I can also give descriptions as to why we're giving those discounts. You can combine multiple discounts together. You can net out the figures so it's doesn't show as a discount, it amends the headline price. There is also a tool as well so that you can open up the set net price, and therefore you can say what price you want to achieve and do it either by changing the base price or by setting an additional discount in there as is appropriate. The last thing is negotiating the whole order value, and so with that you can click either on the VAT exclusive total or the VAT inclusive total. If we click on that, we can see what the current total ex VAT is, what margin we're achieving, and we can either put any additional discount in as a whole order discount, or we can spread it across the lines. So it might be a case of we want to do this for £599 exactly, so it puts in a 6p whole order discount, nice and straightforward. Or alternatively, we might say we can do it for £580, and then we can say that we want to apply that to the lines, in which case it will spread that £19 and 6p either across all of the lines, apportioned by value, or you can prompt it that it puts all of the discount against the highest value line on the order. So with those different tools, you've got different ways that you can negotiate deals in merchant to sales orders.